Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow car information permission on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, you want to swipe up and go down and tap on apps. In here, tap on the option key at the top, and from the pop-up menu, select Permission Manager. Then we go down to the bottom and tap on Additional Permissions. Next, tap on Car Information. And in here, you have the Allow or Not Allow section. So if there is an app requesting access to car information, it will appear in here. Now at the moment, I have no apps that is require the use of car information. So that is why there is no apps showing in here. And finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.